this is what happens when you don't know how far to put the toaster oven. I had to hurry up and get them things out of there, y'all. I turned it too far down. All right, here at the general store of the Hayward KOA. I'm gonna take y'all in. Here's the sign. Morning.
Good morning.
Y'all say, please, no pets allowed now. No smoking.
You videoing?
Yeah. How you know?
Well, I think until I hear
You
from
ready?
Molly, we'll see what they got some kids got doing.
Okay.
And we might have to start working on maybe we can get that
DLT.
Yeah,
We can work on that.
Updated dates.
And you can tell me what I'm supposed to say when I'm driving.
Oh,
Awesome. We'll
that's
see you then.
easy. They're just gonna.
Bye.
Hold on a minute. I'm gonna walk up by Bri. I'm gonna be back up here to get back. Hi, Cal. What you doing?
Y'all, they have so much stuff in this store. So if you forget anything, just visit the general store. I mean, they got it up in here. You hear me? I seen this in somebody's YouTube video. I need to get one.
This one right here. Like
Zero given. That's cute.
you know what it is. Big size.
There should be a large.
I gotta have bigger than that.
Well, I'm sure
They got plenty of stuff for your kids to fall in love with up in here too.
This is all we have left. You sold the cow print swimsuit
I
too.
seen that girl walking around in it the other day.
Did it look good on her?
Yeah, it looked good.
So we only have 3 swimsuits, women's swimsuits left, and 1, 2, 3. So I'm gonna have to. All right.
Nice.
Probably they don't think.
Nancy,
Yes.
come here, please.
Yes, ma'am.
Y'all, these right here are the cutest and they so soft. This big one is $29.99.
You just can talk. You talk loud as we can hear you. Because you talk loud. That's true.
Snacks. Look at the snacks, y'all. Look at the snacks. The candies. Look, they have different sizes. They have some small ones, some not so big ones. They are so pretty. So cool.
Well, she's talking about paying it so that she's on,
Okay, she can't cancel it. Even if she pays all of it, she cancels it, she loses her money. She'll get her money back.
that's what
And
I'm saying, she can't cancel.
she has, okay,
She either
basically,
has to take it or, and but
Shades.
she won't get to rebook because when she doesn't show up, it'll go to
Hat.
next people.
no, what I'm saying is if she
S'more
keeps it in her
stuff.
name and just doesn't show up.
Marshmallow
and hasn't paid for
sticks.
the whole weekend.
Yeah, she has to either take it or leave it. There's no
But
halfway.
she has
Where you
to,
can play
has to
putt-putt.
call us.
She has
For you
to pay
smokers,
for it.
there's some little
She
lighters.
can't move it.
No.
More hoodies and
Well, no, but
sweaters.
she's saying either she paid for it, then she's gonna cancel. And I'm thinking,
I think she's confused because the woman doesn't.
Registration
we can't
discs.
cancel or we end up giving back the money. Isn't that
Oh.
something?
So she either has
Ice.
to pay for it and does not show up.
Drinks and a
next
little
year.
food.
I mean, you understand. Just
Well,
try to
yeah,
explain
and
to her
that's
again.
right.
Oh my gosh, y'all. My beans turned out wonderful. Oh my goodness. I can't wait to try to cook me some cornbread in my toaster oven. It might take forever, but I'm sure gonna try, baby. Ooh, them beans are good. Yes, yes. Well, I'm not sure how much y'all can see of me and this pan, but I'm using this little bitty pan and my little bitty toaster oven to make me some cornbread. So, dang, I can't get my dish thing out. Because I got my phone set up over there, y'all. I'm just going to use some Jiffy Mix. They didn't have this other one I like. So, this is what it's going to be, baby. So, you know, of course, I can't fit all of this in that one pan. So, we're going to have to do it a couple of times. Egg and some milk. 'cause I always gotta make sure that milk ain't smelling spoiled or nothing, even though it don't be old yet, you know. You gotta make sure, baby. We ain't trying to be sick now. Trying to eat good. My bean sure was tasting good, y'all, at lunch when I stopped in. When I stopped in that little bit of time, I'm gonna have to give me a big bowl. Oh, I do have something up there I could have used that's bigger than this. That's alright. We gonna get it together. I don't know if y'all see me or not, but hey, we gonna try it because I got the phone turned around. But yeah, that's what that is. Your girl is trying to get it together in her living in RV right now. If people wasn't so crooked, I will post some of my experiences while here, but man, you know, I don't care for people be trying to break in to my shit. Hell no. No. That's why I don't be making announcements to folks in my life. Unless they somebody that I know is not gonna be running their mouth. Or they somebody that's gonna help look after stuff for me, you know. But this is a new experience for me, and especially show is for Samson. But yeah, ooh, baby, that mix looking good. Yeah, I don't measure my milk, y'all. I don't like how they be talking about for the measurement. I just pour to my consistency that I like. Now I'm gonna pour this in here. Ooh, yes, Hunty. Yes, baby Jesus. I got some other little round pans that I could use, but I'm gonna do this. Wipe this off, and then I'm gonna sit this in the refrigerator until I'm ready for it. For the next pan of cornbread. Put this in here so it can cook. I think I'm gonna turn this baby all the way up to 15 for now. All right, I'll keep you posted on how it cooks. Look at this darn fly shit. Well, y'all, that's a whole dang no on the cornbread in the toaster oven. Because it has a light on the top and the bottom, and it's cooking my shit too fast. Maybe I should have did it on low, like 1 or 2 or something like that. I don't know. I turned it up thinking it needed to be turned up, but I guess you got to do low times first. I don't know. I need to see if I even brought the book with me. Doggone shame. Of course, I had to show the bowl with the cornbread up top. I'm out here rolling on this golf cart cleaning sites right now. This is my job today. I am cleaning up sites and making sure no trash. See, people be leaving their fire pits on the ground. Yeah, but I get to drive my own golf cart right now until we get some tubers. Yep, that's what I'm doing today. I'm just out here chilling, riding the golf cart, cleaning sites, making sure they're good for the newcomers that's coming and good for when people checking out. All right, y'all have a good one. Y'all, it ain't like nothing like thinking your ass is recording and you're not. I turned that thing around, it ain't recorded a doggone thing. I done sat here and see it. But I was sitting here eating and I was thinking, turn my TV off, I'm not even watching it. This show off. But I was sitting here thinking while eating, I was like, you know, because I try to stay true to myself at all times. And I don't be trying to hurt nobody's feelings, but sometimes feelings might get hurt. But, you know, I'm here working at the KOA, Hayward KOA holiday. And I came in to be a tubing driver. But sometimes they're not tubing because the weather here is kind of cool. It's not like Texas. After it rains, it get humid and hot. It's cool here. I hope y'all can hear me. I should be using this gear right here. But I'm not. Hey, I'm out here walking at night. Try to get back to my RV from doing some laundry. And running my mouth with another worker in the inside. So, I'm just heading on back to my camper, y'all. Out here with my lonely self. Just me and me in the dark. Just me and me, baby. As you can see, there's really no rhyme or reason to the video. It's just my experience during this work camping event. So stay tuned for more parts to this work camping experience.